Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Infura for Ethereum node alerts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Infura for Ethereum node alerts, first, go to the Infura website. Once you're on the home page, click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill out the required fields to create your account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link from Infura and click on it to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Infura account using your credentials. In your dashboard, click on Create New Project. Enter a name for your project and select the project type. Click on the Create button to establish your new project. Now, navigate to the project settings where you will find your project ID and project secret. You will use these credentials to authenticate. Next, go to the Alerts section on your Infura dashboard. Click on Create Alert to start setting up your notifications. Choose the type of alert you want, such as transaction confirmations or network status changes. Configure the parameters for your alert, specifying the criteria for when you want to be notified. Select how you would like to be alerted, either through email or webhook. If you choose webhook, provide the endpoint URL where you want to receive notifications. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button. Your alert is now set up, and you will receive notifications based on the parameters you specified. To manage or edit your alerts in the future, return to the Alerts section of your dashboard. This completes the process of subscribing to Ethereum node alerts with Infura. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.